Okay, my friends, we are going to try this poem again. So first, I'm going to read the poem to you. The poem is titled, I Like to See Christmas. So I'm going to go over here and you notice that things are missing. So first, let me read the poem to you. Listen to the words. I like to see the stockings. I like to see the gifts. I like to see the bells. I like to see a tree. I like to see Santa looking at me. So that's the poem. Now, here's what you are going to do. First, you are going to use the move tool and you are going to add the words like and see into the sentence. So right here, you're going to move like. I like to see the stockings. Now, I know this is a very hard word and you can't read it, but I want you to do is look at the first letter. The first letter is S. Which of these pictures starts with S? Stockings. And you're going to move stockings over next to the picture. The next line, I like, you're going to move like, to see, move see, the gifts, gifts. Which one of these is a gift? Here it is. Next line, I like to see the bells. Move the bell over. Next, I like to see a tree. I like to see Santa. Oh, Santa doesn't move. Santa looking at me. Do the best you can on this activity. When you finish moving everything, hit microphone and read it to me the best you can. I'm very excited to see how you do. When you're finished, tap check.